Before buying a raised toilet seat, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real users are talking about hidden safety features that can make all the difference.
Product number 1, Homeland Raised Toilet Seat. Let's kick things off with the Homeland Raised Toilet Seat. Priced at $65.75, I was drawn to its adjustable height and sturdy design, which can hold up to 400 pounds. If you want a safe and comfortable experience for your loved ones, this is worth a serious look. This raised toilet seat is designed with stability in mind. The aluminum frame is reinforced with 4 support legs that tilt outward, providing a strong and secure base. The adjustable height ranges from 18.1 inches to 23 inches, and the width can be customized as well. This means you can tailor it for different users and toilet sizes. The extra-large padded seat is not only comfortable, but also non-absorbent and slip-resistant, reducing the risk of falls. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the stability is worth the hassle. So if you're someone who values safety and comfort, this is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable toilet seat riser that offers both safety and adjustability. Skip this one if you're looking for something more lightweight or easier to travel with. Overall, the value for money here is solid, especially with the included accessories like a paper holder. Now, if the price of the Homeland seat surprised you, let's look at a more budget-friendly option next.
Product number 2, SoundFuse Toilet Seat Riser. The SoundFuse Toilet Seat Riser, which comes in at $59.39. This one caught my eye because it has similar features to the Homeland, but for a slightly lower price. If you want a great balance of safety and cost, this is definitely worth considering. Just like the Homeland, this riser supports up to 400 pounds and features adjustable height from 18.1 inches to 23 inches. The rubber legs provide grip, which is crucial for stability, especially for seniors who may struggle with balance. The large cushion is also waterproof and easy to clean, making it incredibly practical. However, some users found the cushion a bit on the firmer side. I'll be real with you, if you prefer a softer seat, this may not be your best bet. But for those who prioritize safety and durability, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable raised toilet seat that won't break the bank. Skip it if you're looking for a softer cushion, or if you need something with more luxury features. Overall, it's a solid value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value extra comfort.
Product number 3, Kohler 25875-5 Heightened Toilet Seat. Let's check out the Kohler 25875-5 Heightened Toilet Seat, priced at $73.50. This one stood out to me because it combines functionality with an elegant design. If you want something that looks good while still being practical, this might be for you. The 3-inch elevation is subtle but effective for those with limited mobility. It has a soft close feature, so you don't have to worry about slamming, which is a big plus for a quieter bathroom experience. It's designed to fit most elongated toilets, and the grip-type bumpers ensure it stays securely in place. However, a few reviews mentioned it can be a bit tricky to install. Honestly, it's not a deal breaker, especially if you're looking for a product that blends in with your decor while providing comfort and safety. This is perfect for you if you want an elevated toilet seat that looks stylish yet functional. Skip this one if you have a round toilet or prefer something with more height. In terms of value, it's a bit pricier, but the design is really nice. Now, if you want something with extra height and support features, let's look at the next product. Product number 4, WeWhoop Raised Toilet Seat. The WeWhoop Raised Toilet Seat, which runs about $89.99. This one offers some unique features that could be a game changer if you or a loved one need that extra support. If you're looking for something that really focuses on safety, this is worth considering. What I love about this seat is the added 5 inches of height along with supportive grab bars. This makes it much easier for seniors to sit down and stand up, which is essential for safety. It can hold up to 350 pounds and has adjustable width for a more customized fit, accommodating different toilet sizes. That said, some users found the assembly instructions a bit lacking, but once it's set up, the safety it provides is totally worth it. It's one of those situations where a bit of extra effort leads to greater peace of mind.
This is perfect for you if you really value extra safety features and height. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact or simpler. For the price, you're getting solid safety features. Now, if you're someone who needs maximum support, the next product might be ideal for you.
Product number 5, King Pavanini Toilet Seat Riser. We have the King Pavanini Toilet Seat Riser, priced at just $59.99. I was impressed by its features, especially for the price. If you want a budget-friendly option without compromising on safety, this is definitely worth a look. This riser supports up to 500 pounds thanks to its reinforced aluminum frame, which is a big deal for heavier users. The adjustable height and width make it super versatile, fitting most toilets. Plus, the curved armrests provide additional support, which is a nice touch. On the downside, some users reported it can take a little longer to set up since it has more parts, but I honestly think that the safety and stability it offers outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy-duty riser at an affordable price. Skip this one if you're looking for a more compact design or something with a softer seat. Overall, it's a great value for the features you get.
So there you have it, 5 great raised toilet seat options for the elderly. From the Homeland with its solid construction to the stylish Kohler and the super supportive WeWhoop, there's something for everyone. Choosing the right one depends on what features matter most to you.